Why is the sun important for life on Earth? What if the sun just disappeared right now? Within seconds, Earth would go completely dark. Within days, temperatures would crash. And within weeks, most life on this planet would begin to die. The truth is simple but powerful. Every breath you take, every bite of food you eat, and every drop of rain that falls connects back to one star: the sun. Today, we're breaking down exactly why the sun is not just important, but absolutely essential for life on Earth. The solar energy that reaches Earth powers almost everything in our environment. The sun is a massive nuclear fusion reactor, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing enormous amounts of energy every second. That energy travels about 93 million miles across space to reach us in roughly 8 minutes. Without it, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock drifting in darkness. The sunlight that hits our planet warms the surface, keeps our oceans liquid, and maintains temperatures suitable for life. Scientists call this the habitable zone or Goldilocks zone. Earth sits at just the right distance from the sun. Not too hot, not too cold. That positioning is not random luck. It is the reason liquid water exists here. And where there is liquid water, life has a chance. Plants, algae, and certain bacteria use sunlight to perform photosynthesis. This process converts sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. In simple terms, sunlight becomes food. Plants form the base of the food chain. Every animal, including humans, depends on plants either directly or indirectly. No sun means no photosynthesis. No photosynthesis means no oxygen production. No oxygen means complex life cannot survive. In fact, the oxygen in our atmosphere exists largely because of billions of years of photosynthesis powered by sunlight. So when you breathe in, you are literally inhaling the result of sunlight interacting with plant life. That connection is powerful. The sun doesn't just keep us warm, it drives Earth's entire weather system. When sunlight heats different parts of Earth unevenly, it creates wind patterns. Warm air rises, cool air sinks. This movement creates global circulation systems. The water cycle is also powered by solar energy. The sun heats oceans, lakes, and rivers, causing water to evaporate. That vapor forms clouds. Eventually, it falls back down as rain or snow. No sun means no evaporation. No evaporation means no rain. No rain means no agriculture. Modern farming, food production, and ecosystems all depend on solar-driven climate systems. Even renewable energy technologies like solar panels and wind turbines trace back to the sun's energy. Wind exists because of uneven solar heating. Fossil fuels? They are ancient sunlight stored in plants millions of years ago. The sun powers both the ancient and modern energy economy. The relationship between humans and the sun goes beyond warmth and food. Sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in our skin. This vitamin plays a key role in immune function, bone health, and mood regulation. Too little sunlight can contribute to conditions like seasonal affective disorder, especially in regions with long winters. Of course, balance matters. Excessive ultraviolet radiation can increase skin cancer risk. That's why Earth's atmosphere, especially the ozone layer, is critical. It filters harmful UV radiation while allowing life-supporting light to pass through. Again, it's about balance. Our planet's distance from the sun and our atmospheric protection system work together to create stable living conditions. The sun's gravitational pull keeps Earth in orbit. Without that gravity, our planet would drift into deep space. Earth's tilt, combined with its orbit around the sun, creates seasons. These seasonal changes regulate agricultural cycles, animal migration patterns, and ecological rhythms. Spring planting, summer growth, autumn harvest, winter dormancy. Entire civilizations developed around solar patterns. Ancient cultures tracked the sun's movement carefully. Modern science continues to study solar activity, including solar flares and sunspots, because intense solar storms can affect satellites, power grids, and communication systems. In 1859, a powerful solar storm known as the Carrington Event disrupted telegraph systems worldwide. Today, a similar event could impact GPS, aviation, and internet infrastructure. The sun does not just support life biologically, it influences modern technology. Our sun is classified as a G-type main sequence star. It is stable compared to many other stars in the universe. Some stars are far more volatile. Others burn out quickly. Some emit radiation levels that would sterilize nearby planets. The stability of our sun over billions of years allowed life to evolve slowly and consistently on Earth. This long-term stability is rare and valuable. Astronomers searching for life on exoplanets often look for star systems similar to ours. A stable star in the habitable zone increases the chances of life developing elsewhere. In other words, when scientists search the galaxy for life, they look for another sun. If the sun suddenly vanished, we would not notice for 8 minutes because that is how long light takes to reach Earth. After that, total darkness. Within a week, average surface temperatures would drop below freezing. Within a year, temperatures could fall to minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Ocean would freeze from the top down, though deep water might remain liquid for some time due to geothermal heat. Photosynthesis would stop immediately. Most ecosystems would collapse rapidly. The sun is not just a light in the sky. It is the foundation of Earth's entire biosphere. The sun provides energy. It powers photosynthesis. It drives climate and weather. It supports human health. It stabilizes our orbit. It makes liquid water possible. Every system that keeps Earth alive connects back to this one star. Next time you feel sunlight on your face, remember what it really represents. It is 4.6 billion years of nuclear fusion sustaining a planet full of oceans, forests, animals, and people. We are not just living on Earth. We are living because of the sun. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more science explained clearly and visually, make sure to subscribe and stay curious. Look up. The story of life starts there. Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun simply vanished? Imagine Earth plunged into darkness. Within days, life as we know it would begin to perish. The sun is more than just a celestial body, it is essential for life on our planet. Every breath you take, every meal you eat, all connect back to one star, the sun. The solar energy from the sun powers our environment. It's a massive nuclear fusion reactor, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing immense energy every second. This energy travels 93 million miles to reach us in about 8 minutes. Without the sun, Earth would become a lifeless rock drifting in the void of space. Its warmth is crucial for keeping our oceans liquid and maintaining a suitable climate for life. Earth is positioned in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. Where there's water, there's potential for life. Plants, algae, and some bacteria use sunlight to perform photosynthesis. This process transforms sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen. Simply put, sunlight becomes food. Plants are the base of our food chain. All animals, including us, depend on them either directly or indirectly. No sun would mean no photosynthesis, leading to a lack of oxygen and, ultimately, extinction for complex life forms. The sun also drives our weather systems. It creates temperature differences across the globe, resulting in wind patterns and weather systems. The water cycle relies on solar energy, causing evaporation and precipitation. Without the sun, there would be no rain or agriculture. Modern farming and ecosystems all depend on solar-driven climates. Even renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind energy trace back to the sun. The relationship between humans and the sun goes deeper. Sunlight helps produce vitamin D in our skin, crucial for our immune system and mood. But balance is key, as too much sunlight can increase skin cancer risk. Earth's atmosphere protects us. It filters harmful UV rays while letting life-supporting light through, maintaining life's balance. The sun's gravitational pull keeps our planet in orbit, and its tilt creates the seasons that regulate agricultural and ecological systems. Ancient civilizations built around solar patterns. Today, scientists study solar activity for its potential impact on our technology. Remember the 1859 Carrington event? That solar storm disrupted telegraph communications worldwide. Our sun is stable compared to other stars, allowing life to evolve over billions of years. Astronomers searching for life on other planets often look for similar stable star systems. If the sun were to disappear, we wouldn't notice for 8 minutes. Then, darkness would fall. In a week, temperatures would drop below freezing, possibly reaching -100 degrees Fahrenheit within a year. Oceans would freeze, and ecosystems would collapse. The sun is the foundation of life on Earth. It provides energy, drives photosynthesis, influences weather, promotes human health, and stabilizes our orbit. Every system that supports life connects back to this one star. So the next time you feel the warmth of sunlight, remember its power. It represents 4.6 billion years of nuclear fusion sustaining our planet. We are not just living on Earth, we are living because of the sun. If you found this breakdown fascinating and want to dive deeper into the wonders of science, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay curious and remember to look up. The story of life starts there.